Have a good day everyone, and today we will see layer translator in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Let's take a drawing file as an example. Okay, this drawing file has several layers. Okay, go manage tab, layer translator, go new layer, add layer name, plumbing background, line type, continue, line weight 0.18, layer color, select color, gray, true color. Okay, 120. Okay, translate from translate to. Okay, click, press shift key and click, select plumbing BG layer, click map. Okay, click door, press shift key and click here. Okay, map. Okay, odd layer name, new layer name, plumbing BG, color 120, line type continue, line weight 0.18, transparency 0. Okay, if you want to save the current layer translation mapping, click here, save layer mapping, file name plumbing BG, file type select standard DWS, click save. Now click translate. Okay, now go home, layers, 0 def point, grid center, grid team, grid text, plumbing BG. Okay, again go manage layer translate, load, select file type standard DWS, select previous layer mapping, click open previous layer mapping, all layers, new layers, color, line type. Okay, click translate only. Okay, no issue. Home, layers. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.